Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I will be cooking a budget friendly meal and that is called chili, which we all know everyone cooks. However, I will be using my Instant Pot today, and it will be just a one pot shot. Everything is going to just go in. A lot of the items that I will be using, it all came from Aldi's. So far what I've done, I did 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Right here I have onions and celery that I'm going to add. So I am going to let that saute a little bit. So you want it to cook for at least about, I'll say 5 minutes. And then you want to go ahead and add your meat. And the vegetables, like I said, it was celery and onions. I normally always pre-chop my onions and celery. So for this particular case, all I had to do is just pull it out the freezer and add it to my Instant Pot. And I added the butter so that way it'll have flavor. Alright, so now we are going to add our meat. The meat I will be using is ground turkey and ground beef. As I stated before, this is meat that I got from my local Aldi's store. And I believe it's Kirkwood is their brand. So I did a mixture of half and half. So I am going to go ahead and add that in to the celery and onion butter mix. So while that is browning, and you want this meat to get completely brown, okay? Some of the seasonings that I will be using will be onion powder. I'm going to use a little bit of onion powder. You can add these seasonings at the end, or you can add it while the meat is browning. Also, I will be using garlic powder. I'll be also using red pepper flakes because I like a little heat, and I also add hot sauce as well to my chili. So you add a little bit of red pepper flakes, some parsley, a little bit of paprika, and I'm going to add salt and pepper. And not that much salt because you know you will be using the chili seasoning pack. So you are going to keep stirring that until, like I said, the meat. Okay everyone, I'm back. I do apologize about that earlier. The camera actually died. So far the only thing I've done is brown the meat. What I am going to do now is add in my chili seasoning. And again, this is a chili pack from Aldi's. So I am going to go ahead and add that in. And I want to go ahead and coat that before adding anything else to it. I want to coat that seasoning on the meat. Okay, so like the instruction says on the back, you need to add 2 cans of an 8-ounce tomato sauce. Again, this is Aldi's brand. I'm going to add that in. That's 1. I have 2. Okay. It also tell you to add in 14-ounce of diced tomatoes. I decided to use stewed tomatoes, and what I did was I took a fork and I just kind of smashed them up so they don't be so big. And I used the stewed tomatoes because it has garlic and peppers and other things in there that I can actually use in the chili. Okay, so what I am going to do now is I'm going to take it off saute. Because this is going to cook. And last, I am going to add my kidney beans. So I am going to add my kidney beans, and remember the kidney beans must be drained, okay? I am going to add 1 cup of water. I am going to use my Gold Mountain seasoning sauce. Just about 2 or 3 dabs of that. I am going to use my beef broth powder. And I know a lot of people don't use this, but I like using this in my chili. I like to use a couple dabs, 1 or 2 tablespoons of A1 sauce. Now, I do not measure, just something I do. And also about 2 tablespoons of red hot sauce. Okay? So we are going to stir this all up. And then we are going to let it pressure cook for just about 5 minutes, and we will be done. Okay, so we have the chili, and we are going to go ahead and put on the Instant Pot. Okay, so what I am going to do first, make sure my lid is on seal. I want to seal my lid, lock it, okay, and I am going to put it on pressure cook. I'm only going to do about 5 minutes, and I'm going to do it on high, okay? So we'll let it cook and we'll be back. All right, it is complete. It has done its 5 minutes, so now I am going to let the vent out. So let's take a look. Oh wow, that looks really good. So now we are going to start plating. And if you are anything like me, I know when I go to Wendy's and I get a chili, I always ask for a lot of saltine crackers. So I have outlined my bowl in my little salad plate with crackers. So I am going to go ahead and spoon in this chili, and I will let you guys see the last ending. Alright you guys, so I have gone ahead and scooped me out some chili, placed it in my bowl around with my crackers, and I think I am going to add just a little bit of sour cream. And I'm going to use some cheese, put some cheese around it. And again, the items that I am using are from Aldi's. Basically everything I use tonight is from Aldi's. This is their Happy Farms mixed cheese, and the sour cream is their Friendly Farm sour cream. And I am just going to add a few green onions. All right, you guys. So this is my Instant Pot chili. And as you saw, it did not take long at all. And as I stated earlier, all the items that I use, besides the seasonings, some of the seasonings I already had in my pantry, but the seasoning for the chili and everything else came from Aldi's. It's really quick, simple, one pot meal, one and done, and it's budget friendly. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, you guys be blessed. Thanks for watching.